Hey guys, I'm Jason Geiman, and I'm the founder of Pressure Wash Help Training Program, and I am the unofficial king of pressure washing. 10 years ago, I launched my own business, pressure washing, and within 5 years, I grown it to over $1 million in gross sales. And after selling the business in 2018, I decided to take my next steps, and I realized that I really wanted to do is to help people to do what I already have done. Take a pressure washing company from the ground up and grow it into a generating profitable company. So I created Pressure Wash Help online program, training program, and community to teach you how to make $10,000 a month pressure washing in your area. I know what that number sounds crazy, but not only have I done it myself, ourselves, I've watched so many of my Pressure Wash Help family reach those same numbers over and over again. And when you run the numbers and realize that the average house wash is $375, but that dollar amount you put in your each wash is around $50 per house wash, so you make over $325 profit. And so you can see that it will add up very quickly. By just doing 2 house washes a day, 5 days a week, you can easily get to $10,000 a month. And when I was on the truck, I was actually doing 4 house washes a day. So you can see that there is a lot of profit being able to be made in the pressure washing business. One of the biggest stumbling blocks to someone starting their own business is the startup cost. And I know, I've been there. This alone is the reason most Americans have never taken the leap to start their own business that they've dreamed of. But in my course, I'm going to show you how to get started making money for less than $500 out of pocket. That's right. I'm going to show you how you can do it out of $500. Now, obviously, if you have more than that, then we can go from there. But how do I know it works? Because I've been there. I bought my first equipment used off Craigslist. I wheeled and dealed. I traded and all different kinds of things so that I could get started and grow my pressure washing business firsthand. I made a lot of mistakes, but it's because of those mistakes that I figured out what works and what doesn't, like Groupon. And this is exactly who I built this online program for. People just like me and you. People who want to support their family but still control their schedule. People who need to make ends meet, but also dreams of so much more. I've been there, I've done it, and I'm ready to teach you to do it too. I started Pressure Wash Help program to help people just like Jason from Florida, who had barely enough in his bank account to pay for his membership. It was between membership and food on the table, but went on to gross over $150,000 in his very first year as a professional pressure washer in Florida. Or Greg, who got laid off due to COVID, had no other experience other than industry where we're shut down. He was a full-time chef, started in Pressure Wash Help community, ended up making $80,000 during the pandemic. He started his business out of the back of a pickup. He had no pressure washer when he started. He had very little money to get started. Did over $80,000 in 2020. Or Brian, a teacher who is a shop teacher who was looking for a side job for some extra money, but ended up making over 6 figures as a part-time side gig pressure washing. Now, after signing up, you're going to get immediate access to over 100 individual training videos, check sheets to which help you manage your business, administration, into our private online community, and I do 2 Zoom calls a month to answer any questions that you may have. You can ask them personally to me, that I will answer your questions personally. So if you're ready to change your life, if the ideal of owning your own business excites you, if you want more control over your daily schedule and your income potential, then join the Pressure Wash Help community today. You do not want to miss out on this opportunity. Sign up today, right now. Don't wait.